Welcome to the Creative Skills Society to develop your drawing. Let us start to learn how to draw an action pose with the axe. Find out the center line and start with the torso. Use a pipe system to draw other body parts. Look at the drawing steps and how I simplified the body, but refer to the 3D pose. Angle 1 3/4 view. Angle 2. Angle 3 side view. That's it. We are sure you did your best. Send it on WhatsApp and take feedback. And don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.